Boston Medical over to South Boston. South Bay Harbor Trail. Where is it? How do you use it? Let's find out. We're on Albany. Got sawed off right there on the lane, as you can see. Now check it out. Right here, a lot of people are going to get on the highway. You want to duck over, get onto the sidewalk, just like this. But be very careful there. Like I said, people are gunning to the right to get on the highway. And you're going to wait here. All right, we got the pedestrian signal here coming off Albany onto the South Bay Harbor Trail. They got pretty good signage once you're on it. You can see it's a two-way protected lane. All right, we got the pedestrian signal here. Crossing, very careful. They're all flying right off the highway. Now we're going to take this one. You can see the signs. Through the signals there. Now we're in the meat of it here. Two-way protected lane set off. Now right here, you're going to join with the pedestrians. Just be cognizant of that. And we're approaching. We're going to take a right turn on 4th to get into Southie. Be very careful here. I'll show you exactly why. As you come out here, you're going to need to take a real hard right. But there's vehicles turning here as well. So I look. Now we're on the bridge. Heading right into Southie. So Boston Medical area on Albany over to South Boston using the South Bay Harbor Trail.